So this video will show you on how to undo any changes that you will make in your um, profile builders, whether it's in a section, in a profile, or in an application form. So let's assume that we want to add another new section and you want to undo that because you made a mistake, or you want to change your mind and add it instead, then you want to redo that. So all you have to do is, let's add another section, and then we want the professional information section to be added there. And then you realize that, well, you want to undo this because maybe it does not belong here. All you have to do is to click on undo. But then, what if you change your mind? You can just click on redo. So it's the very same thing when you are doing something also in the profile or in any of the specific questions. So let's try the reference section. Let's add a new question. Says one, and then you want it to be ready button, and then you want it to be yes or no, and then you want to undo that, or you want to redo, it should appear again. Alright, so I'm not going to click on save. You just have to click on save to make all the changes, but this is how you use this undo and redo button. Thank you for watching.